New at 6 tonight, a Tallahassee circuit judge will remain on the bench for the trial of the accused FSU shooter. The new order from the state's chief justice says Judge Lance Neff will continue to preside over the case, even though Neff was recently elevated to the state appeals court. Right now, the murder trial is slated for October. Phoenix Ikner is accused of opening fire on FSU's campus last April, killing 2 people and injuring several more. The state is seeking the death penalty against him.